Bismillah. So yummy.
So for this recipe, I take half a cup water, half a cup milk, about 3 tablespoons yogurt, about 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and now add about 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. Now add 3 cup flour slowly and make a soft dough. And add also about 1 teaspoon baking powder. Sift your flour. And now mix your flour and make a soft dough. And knead it for good 5 minutes, and I use all-purpose flour. Oh, my dough is done, and we're gonna keep this dough for rest for good 1 hour, okay? And now this is our stuffing. So I take about 1 cup mashed boiled potato, 1 cup mincemeat. I boil that with just a little bit chili and salt, 1 small red onion, 2 spring onion, bunch of coriander, and also just 1 chili cut really small. Now I'm gonna add few masala. So as you know, my favorite chili flakes, black pepper, cumin seed, and I only add by 1/4 teaspoon paprika. That's all, and I'm gonna make a nice dough out of that as well. So my stuffing is ready, and let's make our kulcha. Our flour is ready. I just rub a little oil on my hand, take a little bit, make a ball, spread some oil on the surface, take your ball, press it, but don't make the middle part thin. Now take the ball size of stuffing mixture and gather that together like this. Pinch it, press it, and now roll it. Roll it very gently. Now just press it with your finger and spread some butter on top. Also a little bit coriander leaves and press it. Now my tawa is heated. I'm gonna sprinkle some water, and for my kulcha, cook it on the slow flame for good 2 to 3 minutes. Now when the kulcha change color, lift the tawa, slowly like that on the other side. Can you see? So just cook it like that, okay? Keep moving. And now turn it over
And look, my kulcha is ready. I'm gonna spread a little bit butter on top of again. And let's dish it up. And now my other kulcha is ready. And look at that. Look. All my kulcha is ready. And let's taste it. So let me show you inside as well.